Home remedies for cough. Honey and lemon tea. Honey has antimicrobial and soothing properties. It helps coat the throat, reducing irritation and cough. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and has antibacterial properties. Preparation. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey with hot water. Add the juice of half a lemon. Drink this tea several times a day. Ginger and turmeric infusion. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helping to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, promoting overall respiratory health. Preparation. Boil a teaspoon of grated ginger and a pinch of turmeric in water. Strain and drink the infused water. Optionally, add honey for taste and added benefits. Garlic and milk remedy. Garlic has antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. Milk soothes the throat and provides a source of nutrients. Preparation. Crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves and add them to a cup of warm milk. Drink this mixture before bedtime for relief from cough. Saltwater gargle. Salt water helps reduce throat inflammation and clears mucus. Preparation. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle with this solution several times a day, especially before bedtime. Steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. Steam helps soothe the respiratory tract and alleviate congestion. Eucalyptus oil has antimicrobial properties and can act as a decongestant. Preparation. Boil water and transfer it to a bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Inhale the steam by covering your head with a towel over the bowl.